Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best motorcycle lift tables on Amazon. You can use a motorcycle lift table to get your bike to a comfortable height to work on. Lift tables are flat steel plates with a textured surface and locking mechanism that hold your bike in place. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Orion Motortech Dilated Scissor Lift Jack. The Orion Motortech Dilated Scissor Lift is constructed of heavy-duty carbon steel and can accommodate up to 1,200 pounds. No assembly is required, and it's simple to use the T-handle to lift your bike. We like this option because it works with low bike frames and has a lot of undercarriage clearance. The lift is less than 4 inches high when not in use, and the T-handle can be detached, making it easier to transport and store. Other features include textured rubber padding, thick X-frame bars for strength and stability, and a central screw that makes it easy to raise and lower your bike. The lift has an extra wide top platform and a durable coating that is dirt, grease, and oil resistant. In addition, it meets current safety standards, so you can feel confident in its performance. However, it's not designed for use with dirt bikes or with an impact wrench, which can damage the nut. Number 2. Extreme Max Motorcycle Scissor Jack. This is a compact lift with a maximum lifting weight capacity of 1,100 pounds. It has a center lift design that leaves most parts of your bike accessible for maintenance or washing purposes. The platform has rubber padding to prevent slipping, to protect the paintwork, and for enhanced stability. The rectangular platform measures 15.2 inches by 9 inches, and the scissor lift stretches to a max height of 14 inches and folds down to about 3 inches in height. The lift is made of long-lasting, heavy-duty steel that's oil, grease, and dirt resistant. It also has a smooth and shiny finish that's easy to clean up. Also, the unit is easy to use as you lift and lower the table by simply rotating the metal sleeve. The manufacturer includes a user manual with maintenance and repair instructions. The lift is covered by a 1-year warranty. Number 3. Vivoham Steel Hydraulic Motorcycle ATV Lift. The Vivoham Steel Hydraulic Motorcycle ATV Lift can safely accommodate bikes and ATVs that weigh as much as 1,500 pounds. It uses a simple lifting mechanism for operation. The device is constructed of durable steel and features high-quality, non-slip rubber lift pads to prevent damage to your bike. The lift has a 3-position safety lock, so you can repair your bike with confidence. It's also easy to transport due to its handle and swivel casters. You can operate it manually using the foot pedal, and it comes with 2 tie-down straps and 2 adapter bars. Users report that it's easy to assemble and maneuver. Raising and lowering a bike is simple, and it's well built and solid overall. Number 4. Black Widow MC Jack Steel Motorcycle Jack. The Black Widow lift has a small and lightweight profile that's only 30 pounds, but it can hold up to 1,100 pounds. That's mainly due to its heavy-duty steel construction that's topped off with an elegant, shiny, black powder coat. The jack can lift to a max height of 16.25 inches and goes as low as 3.25 inches. However, the lifting height can be increased by another 3 inches with the help of its 2 adjustable adapters. The lift has a rectangular platform that's 17.8 inches long and 6 inches wide. It's fitted with a jack foot on each side for maximum stability, and the top of the platform is fitted with 2 rubber-lined cradles for the front and rear tire. The rubber cradles prevent the steel platform from scratching your undercarriage. This scissor lift is operated simply by connecting the hex handle to the hex nut and turning it to raise or lower the lift. Number 5. CXRCY 1200 LBS Motorcycle Lift Scissor Jack. With an impressive lifting capacity of 1,200 pounds, the CXRCY Motorcycle Lift Scissor Jack is designed to handle various motorcycle and ATV models effortlessly. Whether you own a heavy cruiser or a lightweight dirt bike, this sturdy lift can handle the job with ease. No more struggling to lift your bike manually or relying on unstable makeshift lifts. The CXRCY Scissor Jack ensures a secure and stable platform for your machine. This motorcycle lift is built to last. Constructed from high-quality steel, it guarantees durability and strength to withstand heavy loads. The upgraded design features a wide deck and thickened rubber pad, ensuring maximum stability and preventing slippage during lifting and maintenance tasks. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.